Arnold Schwarzenegger, famously known as the Terminator, 7-time Mr. Olympia, and the 38th Governor of California, remains a symbol of strength and vitality at the age of 77. Despite his aura of invincibility, Arnold's journey has been one of resilience, especially given his genetic heart condition, bicuspid aortic valve, which he shares with his mother and grandmother. He has undergone multiple heart surgeries, including valve replacements in 1997, 2018, and 2020. Nevertheless, Arnold's disciplined regimen of healthy eating and rigorous exercise keeps him strong and active. Arnold's fitness mantra, akin to Nike's slogan, "Don't think, just do it," guides his daily routine. Every morning he pedals to Gold's Gym in Venice Beach, where he engages in a modified 30-minute workout. This routine includes bicep curls, starting with a set of 30 reps to prime his muscles, followed by 4 sets of 10 minus 12 reps each. Machine dips focuses on warming up the lower back and knees, emphasizing fluid movement and muscle activation. Shoulder circuit, overhead presses with 5 sets of 10 minus 12 reps, supplemented by machine lateral raises and rear delt flies. Arnolds also take daily protein shake to build muscles. It includes almond milk, lactose-free base, cherry juice, rich in potassium and iron, reducing inflammation. Banana adds fiber and electrolytes like potassium. Plant-based protein powder, his own brand ladder, which includes 26 grams of protein and 480 milligrams of tart cherry. Raw whole egg, including eggshell, provides protein, vitamins, antioxidants, and lutein and zeaxanthin for eye health. However, not everyone is suitable to take raw eggs.